Alright, so I need to now calibrate the torch. So first thing we have to do is zero out our z-axis by basically lowering down the z-axis until it triggers the switch. So just alright, so now that we can say that is our Z0. So the next thing we need to do is come in here. We're going to do a test cycle on the torch height, and then we'll measure it, and it should be I think it's 0.06. So you can see here 0.06. So now what I'll do is I'll go over to the table with some feeler gauges and see if that's what the actual height is. If not, we'll need to adjust some settings. All right, so we're over here at the torch. We're gonna take our feeler gauges. You can see here, and you can see it's way too high. So we need to adjust some settings to get that closer to the 0.06. Alright, so what I ended up at is 0.195 correction, and it just touches at the 0.06. So you can see it just has a little bit of drag, so I think we're good there.